Everyone, my name is Shubham Giri and today I'm applying for full stack developer role with Ingiro. In this video, I'll walk you through about what Ingiro actually is and what jobs do they perform. So first up, we have Ingiro allows you to access and share your LinkedIn profile with others. How do they do it? You go to their website, you create an account, and there you will be given a unique ID which you can share with your friends and family, and they'll have access to your LinkedIn profile, and in this way you don't even have to share your passwords with them. Not only this, there are many other features that they provide you to manage your lists. They have options such as all messages, inbox, sent messages, archive, and these features come really handy when managing your bulky messages. And they also have this feature called add design, which helps you to create your own wall that is according to the message's relevance. Suppose you have an important message, so you can put them under category relevant and other messages at irrelevant. You can also spam messages from different advertisements company and all. And they also have this filtering feature which will help you to achieve the categorization of messages in a unique way. And with Ingiro, you can even send messages on LinkedIn and you can later view over there. Thank you.